The web development landscape just shifted, and these are the 5 essential updates. 5 big stories, no fluff. Let's dive right in. Complexity just left the building. Apple open sources Flow concurrency extension. Apple released Flow to streamline distributed system development. This language extension swaps messy callbacks for clean actor-based syntax. It compiles directly into native C++ code for maximum efficiency. Developers now write complex concurrent logic with readable primitives. It makes building large distributed databases far more manageable. Engineers abandon manual callback management for built-in actors. This shifts their focus towards system architecture rather than debugging threads. Performance no longer requires sacrificing code maintainability. Next up, OpenAI WebRTC voice architecture. Scaling live audio requires a radical rethink. OpenAI decouples WebRTC stack for scale. OpenAI serves 900 million users by separating the edge relay from the stateful transceiver. This approach avoids Kubernetes port exhaustion and state stickiness. Engineers encode routing metadata directly into the IC frag field. This clever hack ensures the system reads initial stun requests instantly. It creates a seamless experience for massive global traffic. Developers managing high concurrency audio platforms can now sidestep traditional state overhead. It allows massive scaling without typical network bottlenecks. Smart metadata placement is the secret to sub-millisecond connection speeds. Next up, redefining effective code reviews. Your team is chasing the wrong target. Code reviews target future maintenance over immediate bugs. Developers usually focus reviews on spotting minor errors. The real goal shifts toward identifying code that confuses the next engineer. Code clarity prevents technical debt before it starts. It turns software into a sustainable asset instead of a liability. Engineers now spend time simplifying complex logic. This makes the codebase easier for everyone to modify later. Prioritize future understanding to master your workflow. Next up, AI coding best practices. Automation is not a shortcut to quality. Developers retain control using short leash AI. Developers keep coding agents on a tight leash. They commit changes frequently to maintain a clear history. This method rejects fully autonomous workflows. Unsupervised AI often introduces subtle errors. Human oversight remains the only reliable check. Engineers now treat AI as a junior partner. The workflow shifts to constant oversight over autonomous generation. Smart teams treat AI as a reviewer rather than an author. Next up, Valmis AI agent platform. Building autonomous bots just got safer. Valmis launches secure cloud platform for AI agents. Valmis connects AI to over 100 software services. Agents run inside isolated containers to keep sensitive data away from the models. Companies can finally deploy automation without handing over private access keys. Developers now trigger agents using webhooks or scheduled jobs. This setup removes the manual risk of exposing API credentials. Security-first infrastructure finally catches up to autonomous workflows. Catch the next update whenever the industry breaks new ground.